Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Mike again with Hills and Haulers Homesteading and Prepping, and I didn't get anything done on the hoop coop yesterday, but today we were able to get the door together. And of course I've got the hinges and everything here. I got to get a couple hasp latches here to put on there, and I'll put one right about here and then one down towards the bottom. And it's 2x4 door, 36 inches. Open and close is real easy. I'll put a little board back here to kind of catch it, keep it from going in, and I'll put my hasp latches here and there, and that'll keep it secured and everything. And the hog clips that I used, they didn't work out as well as I had hoped. And this is a hog clip right here, and I think probably what I did was before I built the rigid frame in here, I should have hog clipped this together. That way I'd have had a little bit more play with the wire to pull together and everything. So I only got a few of these on. You can see that one didn't work. And they probably got bigger ones that would wrap around that, but I didn't. I just grabbed what they had when I got it. Never used them before. Have no idea what the hell they're even for. This says upholstery thing, so go figure. I have no idea. They say I need it, and I got it, but that's what turned out. So that would be a hog clip, but it didn't work out as well across the whole thing as I thought it would. So I'm just going to use zip ties. These are UV resistant zip ties. They're going to get covered anyways, so I'm not worried about it. It's cattle panel. It's not going to pull apart, trust me. It is completely secured all along the bottom. This thing's not going to warp, bend, bow, or pull apart at any point in time, unless a tree falls on it, and let's just hope that doesn't happen. But the next step is going to be I'll have to get the hasp latches this weekend, and then we'll start with the chicken wire. There you go, chicken wire. So these hinges were pretty cool. I seen these on the Living Traditions Homestead YouTube channel on their hoop coop build, and I thought, man, how nice would that be? Because it looks good, it's good and sturdy, and it's actually a kind of like a two-piece system. Like this system here, this is the top piece right here with the hinge, and then this is a separate thing here, and the same on the bottom, and then you got your on your other side here. And it worked out really well, and man, it produces a real good stiff, strong door. So I think I'll use those in the future, and I'll put the link to these on Amazon. I think it was like $32 and change on Amazon. Well worth it, rather than trying to fight, because this wood's bowed a little bit. I got a little bit of a twist. Surprise, surprise, buying, you know, lumber at a lumber store. So there's just a little bit of a twist. It didn't make it even, but when I put the spindle hasps on there, the latches and stuff, it'll straighten it up. But that's going to provide a good secure door for what it's going to be used for. It's I don't think it's ever going to rust. If it does, who cares? It's a chicken coop house. So anyways, it's going to be a short one this evening. So we're about to get a storm here. The wind's been blowing. It's really overcast, and it's dropped the temperature pretty good. So I will, woohoo, good wind. I will get the stuff that I need, and then hopefully at some point, maybe this weekend, we can start putting the chicken wire on this and get the spindle hasp latches on. Everybody's got a name for them. That's what I've always seen them called and stuff, so that's what we use. But we'll get that on there and start putting the chicken wire and stuff on, and we'll do a follow-up video on that to kind of show you the guys the progress. And in the meantime, I'll probably go ahead and get a measurement here, and I'll order a tarp for it. And like I said, I don't want a cheap flimsy tarp, a real thin one. I want a heavier white tarp, and the reason I want white is because it reflects heat better, and it's a heavier material, and they have those on Amazon too. And if I find that, again, it's what I bought for the other coops. If I can find it in the size that I need, I'll put the link in the description of this video, as well as with the hinges and stuff, the door frame and hinges and stuff. So I'll put that on there. In the meantime, I'm going to quit rambling. I'm going to go inside here. We're done for the evening, and try to beat the rain. I was hoping to get a little work done on the tractor this evening. Evidently what I thought was wrong with it wasn't. There was a short somewhere. And when it comes to electrical components, I am like not the master of that at all, and really have very little clue. I just know I do have a short somewhere, and I can't figure out where. So I'm gonna have to reach out and pull the buddy card. But I think we're going to have a rainy weekend, so it may not get anything done. In the meantime, folks, take care, keep prepping, and God bless.